MP two-wheel drive level 2 upgrade. Alright, today we're going to be installing the wheelie bar mount, which is donated to me by Everyday Basher. Thanks a ton. Again, man, this is awesome. Now it's going to protect my transmission and my motor, kinda. Just kinda, yeah, see how it just protects it? And like, just kind of protect this side right here, and also protect my transmission whenever I kind of do wheelies. It'll protect it as well. Okay, now it's getting installed. Alright guys, we just slide it in just like that. Just gotta watch for the other side, and be sure that's where it slides into the skid plates, or unless you have the rustler and the band, it'll be the chassis itself. Okay, we got 3 screws. Longest one goes right here, the medium one goes right here, and the shortest of them all goes right in the hole right there. Was bought by Jesus Pinedo. Thanks again, man. Here is before, and here is after, guys. Check that out. That's gonna protect my motor and my transmission. And when I get a wheelie bar, one day I could just bolt it right in. Well, that's it for this upgrade, and thanks again, Jesus Pinedo and Everyday Basher for this upgrade. And that was the Traxxas Stampede 2 Drive Level 2 upgrade.